Rizzy here with Rizsyy and Its Zephyr, back with episode 6 of our White Noise series. This is our last map that we haven't played, and it's the last map we're gonna play on easy. So...
then we should go straight to hard.
No, we're not going straight to hard, honestly. Alright, so you wanna just get started?
Oh, yeah, I guess.
Alright, let's go. 3.
Waiting for players.
Yeah. That can happen, you know, I mean...
Watch my Xbox Series right now.
Oh, this one is the road, yeah. I've seen this, I've seen
Oh, okay, I remember this. Yep,
I've seen... I've watched someone play this.
Yep.
Did Vanos do this map?
He did Founder's Hall. Oh, well, here's hands and stuff.
No, just that. Wink, wink. No, I'm just kidding.
Two heads. Looks like they were having some.
2 heads are better than 1! Wink, wink. Okay.
Tissues, tissues.
Tissues. What is these? What is these, Lucas? What is these?
I would be banned. Understand what these are?
Oh my god.
Code of conduct. Don't break code of conduct.
Here, what are these creepy?
I'm sorry, I'm just a bit nervous and I just decided to whack off my nerves.
These things are so freaking creepy.
It's got shit! Follow the river trail.
Over the river into the woods. To grandmother's house we go.
Watch us end up into the
Pickle.
cabin. I like pickles.
Yeah.
Pickles make me feel good. Oh, Bridge, what did they do to you? You can talk to me.
Well,
Examine the wall.
no, I'm okay. Yeah, I have no idea what I'm doing on this map. Okay, here's the path. There's a pickle over there, so... Wait,
Frickin'.
there's a wall. Statue! Wait. Yeah, I hear it. Where you at, oh? Oh, wait. You pick it up.
Okay, where is it?
It's right here.
Oh my god. Stupid light frickin' telling me what to do.
Alright, now it's gonna start. So... Yeah,
Yeah, it's gonna start.
he's gonna start coming in first now.
Why?
Guess you just got this first tape. There's Pickle on the right. Watch yourself. Stay frosty. No. Right, here's hands.
I hear
I
one.
hear one.
That was a bad voice crack.
On my floor.
Alright, here wait. Hands is here. That was statue, so we gotta go this way. It's in a circle.
What do you mean?
Go that way. Like, you didn't study the map?
No.
Every time we win, I see where the last puzzle piece is. I see where we went. We have to go this way.
This way? Okay. Like the way that we're going.
Yeah.
Right?
Yes.
Okay,
Oh god, he's right there, and there's a tape right there. He's right there as well. He teleported. Never mind.
No, I think...
Keep
Yes.
riding the edges. Stay close to the wall and go straight, basically straight.
I think if someone else can see him, and you can't, and you go to where he is, I'm pretty sure he can get you. Which is kind of unfair, but... He's to the right.
I can hear him.
Yep.
Yep. The advantage advantages of having beaches, dude.
What are your beaches?
Look. X32.
Yeah, X32s.
JK,
I hear one.
We have 4?
Yep, so this is gonna start to
Yeah, I couldn't tell, like, one of my updates popped up, so maybe start running. Let's start running.
Yeah.
I just beacons, though. I always have beacons. Okay, my controller's not ready.
It's right good if you die.
I have beacons on Ghosts, Grand Theft Auto, and Minecraft. I don't know why. Yeah! I think I'm gonna change to white noise now.
I think there's one over here.
Like, since a lot of my friends started
Yeah, I got it.
getting
Stay
noise
here.
over there.
We're actually not.
Told you, dude! Told you! I study the map! Getting good at this stuff, man.
That's fine.
Right. It's a big circle.
Yeah, it's gonna be nice. We have 5, right? So.
Yeah, it's gonna start getting difficult. Start sprinting. Did I tell you? Hey, did you see the Budweiser commercial with the Lieutenant Nat?
The what?
Lieutenant Nat commercial?
No. Where was
Super
this?
Bowl? You didn't watch the Super Bowl?
I didn't.
Aww. What happened to you? Aw, guys, okay, you can tell
Yeah.
me what happened. What happened?
Where is it? It's outside, isn't it?
Oh god. Oh god, this is where me and Owen Collins died for the very first time. Scariest stuff ever, man. Our first tape was right here. What we did, we sat here and we heard footsteps and we just like, what is that? And we collected the tape, he turned around, freaking killed us the very first time ever. Dude, I'm telling you. I'm surprised when my parents did hear us. Okay, he's close. He's ground.
I hear it. Oh, he's on the
Oh
way.
god!
Jesus. I got it. You're just dragging it. I see it's right there.
See
Got
the tape?
Yep. Ready? 7 minutes. You're giving me a flashlight. I see you. I see you. Oh, like, where's the hands, baby, hands. Okay. So, 704. Wow. Hey, fix your mic.
Hey. Dude, not even 1,000 miles walked. I told you it's in a giant circle.
That's awesome. Just go straight across and screw this.
You better just do it straight across.
Screw this and do that. Yeah, then we go up to the very top.
Yeah, it took us a while before we found the first tape.
I know, it took us
Watch,
like
I bet
2
the last
minutes.
tape's gonna be next to where
Right,
we
right
spawned.
here.
Nope. So what did I say? I'm like, alright, it's a big circle.
Then we start just getting
There's
up,
tape
just
too.
pew, pew, pew. 3, 4, I'm just kidding. There's 3. 4. We hop on the road right here, I think.
5 is gonna be right next to us, yep.
We're on the road.
There's always a tape
'Cause
right
that's where we
near where
spawned on the road.
But that's where I'm like, alright, follow the road to the left.
That was the house thing with the graffiti on it.
Yep.
And then ready?
Dude, that last one was right, really close.
I know. That was awesome.
Pros are white noise, dude.
I know.
Alright, that concludes our series for Easy.
Yeah. We're gonna keep it on the
Yep.
same playlist though,
No,
right?
we're not.
They're not? Yeah?
I guess.
Okay.
Alright. So yeah. This is Rizsyy and Its Zephyr signing out for Rizzy.
Oh, this is Rizzy signing out for Shift X. Nice try.
Okay. Goodbye, everybody.
Alright. This concludes. Oh, I got to
This
miss
is episode 6.
Oh. This concludes the easy.
I shall be live.
Easy session. And so we're just gonna start
Episode 6?
replaying the same levels just on medium.
Normal. At medium.
Boo. Normal. Alright, so, see you guys next time. Peace.